John Faa, Jose Canlas.
Hindi na fresh yung legs natin.
I'm not sure about you.
And then si Asi Taulaba. Naging kakampi si Bong Ravena at si Keeper Ravena.
LGR Sportswear, maraming salamat. Nagagaling ko lang dun pinick up ko yung mga uniforme natin
Bagay pala ang blue sa akin.
Oo nga.
PMPBL, and that is to give a platform to their homegrown talents. Sabi ni Coach Max, walang arte ang mga players na to. Describing is PCCR players na first time.
Game. Inigo with a runner, trying to go glass that time. No good. Baltasar working hard. Puts it back in. Mike Machon. Hand off to Nem de la Cruz. Machon gets it back and Machon arises.
Ng offensive trips ng Marikina, kahit na nagmintis yun, something pala no season 2.
Nagkaroon pa siya ng time sa Sarangani.
Right. So, champion yan. I can't even say it was a great time, but it was certainly a memorable.
Pailona fires another one. Tapos ang pektos ni Flores. Pailona. Nice pass to Bauzon inside. Flores now with Albo. Launches the three. In and out. Flores with the offensive rebounder. Kenneth Beremdes is in the building. And Emer Oreta, our head of operations as well. Bauzon. Binigay kay Kudal. Was that a pass?
Kudal, tinapos. Good outlet pass.
And Nem de la Cruz will go all the way to the that battle. Binigay kay Inigo. He'll launch the three. Yes!
Makakabuti para sa team mo.
Tama. That's another three.
That's usually when? October, no?
No, June, July.
Okay.
Oh, Inigo. Bauzon providing the pick. Nobleza and Ludovice comes up with a steal. Velasco with the counter steal. Bounce pass. Sa ilalim, Bauzon was waiting and he puts it in for
You said yun, give and go.
Velasco will attack. Nice. Drop pass to Bauzon. He will finish. Tiburcio misses the layup though. Faa. Quick spin and defend. Dahil nakamaroon siya ngayon, alam mong nasa kabila siyang team. Pero ganitong hulman ng player ng Marikina.
Eric C. na mabigyan ng pagkakataon na maging head coach dito sa Marikina. Kwento niya, nagbunga yung sipag nila mula off-season tulad sa PSL kasama ang
Inigo. Nag-alangan sa pasa na agaw ni Casajeros. Bumuelo. Travel.
That is totally legal. You could push the ball in front and then...
Machon to Casajeros. Launches the three. It's good. Actually, Inigo. Crossover by Landayan. Inintay si Kuya Marlon Basco. Nem de la Cruz. Basco with a shot fake. Out to De La Cruz. That's a three from them. Yes, sir. Ludovice. Fa. Dire-derecho. Ivan Ludovice. Andaya spins and puts it in for two. Andaya up against Machon. Algin. Fade away. Good. Basco with a rebound. 7 seconds remaining. De La Cruz will attack. Nem de la Cruz. Time analysis coming right up as Marikina. He has a
Walang itong Marikina.
Escoto launches the three and now he was on the DT. Albo atake hang time. Andaya quickly to Fa. Albo open. Three-pointer is good. Down low they go. Bauzon had to adjust and finishes. Meron na rin siyam na puntos si Bauzon. Bautista is open. And Bautista off the field.
The lead down.
Ludovice put on the line, but he not. Tiburcio now with Escoto. Nem de la Cruz against his former teammate Albo. Nem nakawala. They go to Bauzon. Binabantay ni Albo.
Nice move.
Jonel puts it in. Son. Fa. Nobleza nakabantay sa kanya. Fa. Still. Fa.
Do the
He was the last player to win Player of the Week last season.
Because of that 40-point performance.
But Nem de la Cruz could
Parang
pin.
tayo nag-cover nun.
Tayo ba?
Yes.
Hindi.
I remember.
Caloocan.
Yes.
He's fearless.
Pero ito, yun lang. Ang ganda rin ng depensa.
Oh, Baltazar completes the steal. And
Itong si Nobleza, uncontested inside the paint for the one that's arguably the smallest guy on the floor.
Inigo launches and hits the three. Manny Pacquiao is in the building.
In the area, and dumiretso na, syempre.
Duman. It's good to see him here as Tiburcio puts it in. 5 regular season. This is our 7th season. As Nobleza hits the finger.
Favorite bands would have so many questions by side A. Look at that play. Manila for that offensive onslaught, but really the defense of Marikina.
They forgot about Inigo. This is inexcusable.
Itong si Achi.
Nobleza offline. Ludovice is ahead. Baltazar finds Ludovice. And
Yes.
Daya for 2. Game, but shoots an air ball from beyond the arc. Andaya on the move. Elgin Andaya with another strong finish underneath.
Well, he's been a strong Marikina, a big part of that. Their fast break points, especially in the third quarter. And
But guess who picks up the offensive rebound?
si Fak, kinuha ng dalawang kamay.
Another 3 for Achi Inigo. Knocks it down this time.
Mga words na ganyan exist pag lumilipat ng mga player o may na-experience. Pero ito, kilala natin to. Stop and pop to, sigurado. Pasok!
No.
Sa kamay ng kakampi.
Baltazar spins and scores. Big difference here. I think only Decoy Lopez has struggled for them, but Richard Albo.
Ito, hindi
Fourth quarter, namagana yung lamang ng Manila dito to 14. Basco, basket plus the foul.
much needed three-point play for Marlon Basco.
Ivan gets it back, goes to Richard. Nice fake by Richard Albo. Atake sa ilalim, Richard Albo.
And the thing is with him, he's also a smart player. Not to mention a capable scorer. No, 40-point game that last week of the season as Basco, one guy who could shoot the ball from the outside.
Inigo. Ball back to Marikina. And Velasco. Marikina down by 6. Bailona.
In his zone is Manila. Interesting, si Achi, ang zoner.
Oh, big 3. Landayan.
Be a really good jump shooter. Yung jump shot talaga tumira.
No. Nem de la Cruz, the sidestep, no good. Put back is good para kay Nem.
Pero itong si Nem, speed advantage para kay Ivan.
Fa attacks middle. Fa layup is good.
But guess what? Ang mas may advantage sa speed ay si Faa.
Velasco splits the defense. And Fa comes up with the steal. Fa layup, yes! Count Manila Batang Quiapo